There was a man tasked with moving a massive rock. Every day he pushed with all his strength. The rock didn't budge, not even an inch. Weeks turned to months, and still, no progress. Frustrated, he cried out, "Why am I doing this? It's impossible." But then he noticed something. His arms were stronger, his legs more powerful, his resolve unshakable. The rock hadn't moved, but he had. Sometimes life doesn't give you the results you want, but it builds the strength you need. So when resistance shows up, don't quit. Push harder. You're not just moving the rock, you're moving yourself.